Hey guys, we received this Viva Naturals organic psyllium husk powder for test and try. 24 ounce, finely ground, unflavored, vegan, keto, paleo, non-GMO, plant-based super psyllium husk. So as you can see, this is a pure psyllium husk without any additives. So we can easily use as a source of fiber. Comes in this vacuum packed sealing. So this good. This is how this looks finally powdered. So this is the fine powder, not like you can see the husk or the seed. So I am just taking some of it so I can show it to you. So the good thing is it can absorb a lot of water to make a jelly shaped thing. So say this is the salam husk, I'm putting some water inside it. This is how you take it, and then just mix it with the spoon so that it will be evenly distributed, and then this will start absorbing water. Keep it aside for some time and then see, like this is the simple flowing water right now. After putting some time becomes a little jellyish thing. Then you can easily drink it and take it with you as a supplement or the fiber supplement.